of Christmas la. Then he needs to say, thank you, Daddy, help me, Daddy. Not here, not in this house. No. I want no Muslim, I couldn't do that. Don't insult people. They've already insulted your mother. I'm just paying back the favor. I want Muslim, I want Muslim. Yeah, I want Muslim.
No, Babaru.
Muslim, I want Muslim. Muslim.
Ma'am. I
want Muslim. Washona kanjani lo baba lo baba la washona kanjani washona washona lapho lo baba la
mina ngiyaqala
how did you die
bona ufuna ukushone lapha ngoba niyafana
ngilobolile kodwa
niyafana nawe lobolile utshela uba uhamba naye
fine no it's not going to stop chasing it's not going to stop
uthunjani shone lapha
it's not going to stop no Tracy, you were at home just now. Suddenly, you see Mr. Lorenzo when? Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Say what? Fine, keep the girl, give me my boy. Give me my boy. Fair enough. Just give me my boy.
He's sleeping.
Tracy, he's sleeping because it is noise that is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because you're
But you can wake him up.
You'll see him in the morning.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. How am I getting over the case of kidnapping? You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. Look at this like that. Ngeke zihambe ma. Ngeke zihambe.
Asambe se police station sovula icala.
Angindawo nawe ma. Angindawo wena wena usukombisiza umama ngemama. Umsangano nje bomama. Umsangano nje bomama.
Cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowaprice ngotshwala.
Whatever yenze kuwena kufanele. Yeah.
Nawe lesazokwenzeka kufanele. Wena uyini? Wena uyini? Ngomuzi nje ngebond.
Ukazi yini mina?
Ngebond
nje.
nje.
Mina mucabanga khona.
Ngoba wena wakho ungebond lo.
100%.
Exactly. So
And I will not make a noise.
And you already said, what did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you.
Tracy.
When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face.
I'm being here. Asambe kuni. Phoyisa ngcono ngoba uyazibonela angithi uthi imina manje ngithele akenze kanje. Njengoba ngithuli esho zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo. Even bekhuluma lapho nomngani wakhe bethi baya kovalito. Ngangimnqandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi nezingane niyohlala nodwa. Ozani la ekhaya. Hamba nengane ezincane endala. Hamba ubusuku behamba sengingayazi. Ngiyamsiza ngihleli nezingane zakhe.
Ayikho into emsizayo wena ubonela umshado wakhe. Sifanje awulive.
Hawu.
Ayikho into emsizayo. Ayikho into emsizayo.
Mina I don't agree.
Ayikho into emsizayo. Ayikho into emsizayo.
Mina ngiyakhetha
You
amabhesi
grandstanding, but you grandstanding. What you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so. I've never met you.
Wena wazuka umuntu emhlabeni.
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
Hawu.
You don't have the. You have engaged. You have called to this house a father that has never been, ever paid a single cent of school fees. That I've been, mina
ngimbizile.
Ufunanda.
Hayi
Ufunanda.
Ala ikwami la.
He's never showed up.
Mina enginemvumo yokuvumela.
Yabona mina nginengane mina ihlawuliwe zonke. Izihlawuli zenza lisiko zonke, yes? Zonke. Angimkweleti inkomo lo mama. Ngimbesile ngazamkhetha, yes? Lo baba ukhuluma ngaye akazahlawula nesent zonke ingane zakhe including le akazayihlawula. Wena usumbiza noma ninkosazi wakhe, yes? Unkosazi wakhe loyo.
Babizwe yimi.
Who was a best friend. And slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami. Illegitimate people. Illegitimate people.
Ubizwe yimi. Ngibavelaphi?
Okay. Ukuthi babizwe wena, you allow them here. You're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people.
Inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngephase yakho.
No, if you're in the so I can't have a Christmas with my own family. Because you say
nokuvimbile.
Wena uvimbile.
Ngikuvimbele.
Ufike nje uzolindingane la. Ufike uzolindingane la.
Wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda kwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukhuluma khona ukuthi awuphikiswe. Ugcina wena. Awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama facts. Awufuni ukulazi iqiniso.
You do the same for your children. You do the same for your children. You will do the same for all your children. Yeah. What I'm doing today here, you will do the same. In fact, you will do worse for your children. I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay. Mr. Felix?
Hello guys, this is Gwazi T. Damn, what's going on in that household? What's really going on with Felix Hlophe and his wife? He's abusive? Guys, I never saw it coming. Maybe y'all guys did. Because in the comment section, I see y'all saying that there's always been smoke and that the fire was about to show. You can keep the girl, I'll take the boy. Like this guy, you can really see that he's not really that respectable man that he is on radio. Wow, man, this guy needs to do better. He's a father after all.